How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another day, the House Money Investing channel. If you don't know, my strategy of investing is deploying principal into the market for 30 to 90 days, pulling out my principal, leaving my gains in the market, thus having house money stocks riding on house money for the long term, which are zero risk beyond that point, and what I consider free stock. Today's video, we're going to go over some of my stock picks I had from yesterday and today. Just some stocks I've been looking over. Not going to go into great detail on them. Just a quick breeze through. You can check out the ticker names, look them up for yourself. But these are some positions I will be getting in next month and doing a swing trade on them, as well as I will be reviewing my public account. The first stock here I have is ABCL, and this will be a good play. This should be a nice run up for this stock. So if you want to go ahead and look at the ticker name, then do your own due diligence, then go right ahead. Then you got VCR, which is a Vanguard fund. I invest in pretty much all the Vanguard funds except for the shorts, so this one I'm going to add in. I've never swing trade this one, so I'm going to get it in there. And this is a Vanguard long-term corporate bond ETF, more of a really safe play. If I can swing trade this and get a little bit of it, that'd be nice, just so I can have a safe bond ETF from Vanguard as well. Then we got Groupon. My belief is once the vaccines are all done, handed out and everything like that, and stuff gets back to normal, I think advertisement will be a sector that flourishes as well. So that's why I got Groupon on here, GRPN. So of course, look at Groupon. You can look at their financials and their balance reports and stuff like that. But just based off that one aspect, I will be getting into Groupon. Then we got Growgeneration, which is a MJ stock, and this one has high potential of growth rate as well. With the legalization of cannabis, the new president talking about it, the economy needing that boost of revenue as well. So I think there's a lot of great MJ stocks like Canopy Growth, Aurora Cannabis, Tilray, my favorite, which is Planet 13, and I think SunGrow is another one that I like. And this is another one I'm going to add. I got some positions here in Growgeneration, so I'm just try to swing trade it again in January and add some more. Then you got ETN. It's going to be a nice little play as well. You can look up this ticker and see what they got going on as well. And then FNGU. This is a 3 times leverage from microsectors index, and that's another play I'm gonna add. And then of course we got Bud. I do it on some positions, some fractional shares in Bud as well. Mainly getting it for the in the beer. A lot of people drink beer every day, so Budweiser, Busch, Bud Light, all that type of stuff. So that's something I'm gonna try to swing trade and get some more position of. And then we're gonna go look at my public account real quick. My public account, I have $1,701.91. Friday I was down $10. The past week I was up $5. Past month up $159. Past 3 months up $292. And past 6 months, or all time, because I started this in June, I'm up $329.35, and that'll be 19.82%, which is almost double of the average return rate for the average market. Now in here, like I said, I make house money trades, so most of these will be house money. The ones that are longer term growth stocks, I will let you know, which will probably be a very few. I do have some cash balance and some buying power still sitting in here, and that's probably principal I need to pull out. I got some pending orders. I made some swing trades in some other accounts, so I got some Alphabet, Chipotle, booking holdings, and you can see the share size is 3%, 3%, 4%, 2%, so they're really small positions. We'll look at all-time gains here. As you can see, I already own booking holdings, BKNG. I got $61.09, so of course I'm trying to add, I'm going to add to this with that little piece that I just bought there, and I'm up 3.5% on that. Then as you can see, I also already have some Alphabet, which is a very small position. It's only $58 worth. Oh, okay. Well, those are sales. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm swing trading these. So on this one, these are the swing trades that I make. So basically, let me see if it tells me how much I actually put in. I'm not too sure. But either way it goes, my gain was 210, so I took out my principal, left the 210 to have the stock. And same with Alphabet. I'm gonna withdraw my principal, leave the 97 cent in there to ride on house money. And same with this Google, it's gonna be 98 cent worth of profit, and then Chipotle is only 12 cents worth of profit. But I still, either way, got my principal back and gained some free fractional shares. I think this is my biggest gainer right now. This actually surpassed NEO, NTLA. This is a long-term play. Let me see if it says when I bought it. No. But anyway, as you can see, I got $58.19. It's up 177%, and that's $37. And then we got good old NEO. Well, let's go TSM first. This one I have 48.23. I'm up 26%, or $10. And then we got NEO, which I was up like 34 bucks on this at one point. You know, when it was up here back in mid-November, late November actually. But I got 47.91. It's up 64%. 1871 in gains. Then I got a couple iShares. This one is up 15%. It's worth 45. Then SHY, this one's barely up at all, not even a tenth of a percent. But at least it is in the positive. Then we got Zscaler. Whoa. I own 15% of a share. It's up 37%. Then we got Beyond Meat. Love Beyond Meat. I own 20% of a share. It's up 9%. Then we got EA Sports. I own 20% of a share. It's up 3.4%. So these are all going to be house money plays in here in this account. I haven't bought any long-term plays for this account. So basically, what I'll do is what you've seen with the first few is just buy some, and then whatever the gains are, I'll leave them in the stock. If it doesn't gain anything, I'll just sell it off. So as you can see, I have about $1,700 and another $300-400 worth of profit on top of that of just house money stock. That's all free stock, zero risk. So I'll just let it ride out for the long term. This is CRWD, which is CrowdStrike. Love this one as well. I'm up 38.43% on it. I own almost 15% of a share. Then you got good old Pepsi, great dividends. I got almost 20% of its shares, almost up 6%. Then we got a exposure to gold here, some precious metals. We got a little over one share. We're up 25% on that position. Then we got Etsy, almost 15% of a share. We're up 34%. Tractor Supply, about 15% a share. We're up 8%. PG, great dividend. We're actually losing on this one thus far, which is cool. Because like I said, it's house money, so it's free share. It will eventually go back up. We got a Digital Realty Trust, a nice little REIT dividend payer. We're down 5%. We got about 15% of a share. Then we got some Apple here. 15% of a share. It's up 5%. JP Morgan, 15% of a share. We're up 1%. We got Abby. Again, a 15% of a share. We're up 10%. And then we got a good ARK, Kathy Woods ETF, almost 15% of a share. We're up 17%. We got AMD, same thing, up 7%. MDT, we're down a little bit on that. Good dividend payer. Starbucks, we're up 6%. Great one here, Square, we got 5% of a share. It's up 10%. And we got Vanguard, BND. This is bonds, total bond market. It's up 0.5%. Then we got Fiverr. It's 5% of a share. It's up 41%. And we got Papa John's, 12% of a share. It's up 6%. Good old Blink Charging. We got about 38% of a share. It's up 201%. Great percentage rate on that one. Then we got Zillow, almost 10% of a share. We're up 83%. MGM Resorts, we're up 93%. We got a little bit over 30% of a share here. Wynn Resorts, a nice long-term play, almost 10%. We're up 16%. Bloom Energy, we're up 57%. Colgate, we're up 1%. Nice dividend payer. The next, what some people say, the next Amazon is up 61%. IPOB. Then we got Upwork, which is up 127%. We got about 20% of a share. Gained about $4 on that one. Then we got good old GoPro. A lot of people sleep on this stock. We're up 114%. We got Virgin Galactic. We're up 91%. Ford, we're up 36%. NEE, we're down 8% on that one, down 61 cents. Another ARK Invest, we're up 27%. Trade Desk, we're up 12%. Realty Income, probably one of the best REITs out there. Great dividends. Go look at the history of the dividends. It's amazing. If you would have put $100,000 in this stock back in the early 2000s, you would have about $1.6 million right now. We got Cheesecake. It's up 36%. TQQQ. This is a heavy tech index. It's up 10%. United Continental Holdings, we're up 39%. Another iShares, IVW, we're at 9%. JD, Chinese stock, we're up 27%, even after the beatdowns. Then we got Walgreens, down 2%. This one will boom from the vaccines. We got Tillo, it's up 20%. Pinterest, we're up 15%. Another iShares, up 11%. Shopify, great long-term play. This is going to be up there with Facebook, guys. Amazon, just don't sleep on Shopify, up 6%. Dave & Buster's, up 114%. I got back in this one early on when I knew it was going to bounce back due to it was beat down really bad after March. So that was a nice play. RCL, it's up 37%. It's going to go up even more. General Motors, it's up 30%. Fizz, 38%. A lot of people sleep on this stock as well. Then we got EPD, up 23%. Another ARK Invest, up 10%. IRM, up 13%. Good old Tyson Foods, up 8%. Royal Bank of Canada, up 20%. Ali Finance, up 34%. Nice dividend payer. QRVO, we're up 6%. Then we got Gap, up 75%. They're up 75%, and then Kanye hasn't even came out with any clothes yet or released anything. Tapestry, up 116%. Raytheon, we're up 34%. Another REIT, Brookshire Property, up 31%. Bank of America, we're up 19%. Pebble Hotel Trust, we're up 75%. Good old Target, up 3%. Amazon, up 13%. Capri Holdings, up 94%. Good old Nikola. This one, look at this, minus 67%. Lost $4 so far. We only got $1.96 left in this holding. Horrible company. Oh my goodness. Trevor Milton and all the bad news and not working out the deal with GM. Wow. Rocket Companies, this one will boom. We're down 2% right now. KRO, up 30%. General Electric, up 67%. Another good REIT, up 22%. Melly, up 55%. Stone Capital, 40%. Good old Facebook, maybe one of the greatest stocks of all time. A little bit down on that one. That's okay. It's only $1. It's going to come back. And Qualcomm. You don't have to use the strategy I use, but you can look at the tickers I have. You can see most of them are recognizable to the average trader. And I do invest in some great companies. And as you can see, I am up. You know, overall, I'm still up 19%. And this is all house money. So, for me using my strategy, you know, I've made $1,700. And Well, I made 14 and another 300 on top of that. So obviously my strategy works. Obviously I'm selecting good stocks. I am gonna make about 20 or so trades tonight. I'm gonna swing trade, pull out some principal, lock in some of my gains, and I'll drop that video shortly. If you like the video here today, hit the like button. Please subscribe and hit the bell if you want to follow my journey. Like I said, you can use my strategy with little money or more money, or you can just, look at the tickers I got. I will be releasing videos on, how to invest, as well as, for beginners, and as well as, going more in depth in my stock picks and analyzing balance sheets and technicals as well. Eventually I'll get around to that. This channel is pretty new, so I've just been going through all my brokerages, which I've done 6 so far. I got about 4 left, and then making my daily trades, which I trade 7 days a week. So I have been dropping 2 to 3 videos a day, and that'll do it for this video.